Do you have a small patch or repair that needs some attention? Well, check out SureCoat Systems Roof Repair Kits. They have a coverage area of 12 to 25 square feet and can be purchased online or by calling us direct. Our repair kits contain the following items: Polymesh, Sure Scrub Cleaner, SureCoat Coating, brush and cleaning pad. Installation instructions are all contained within a 3-gallon bucket for easy storage. Doing a small repair is easy. Wet the area with clean water using a bucket of water, a water hose, or a pressure washer. Spray on the Sure Scrub Cleaner and let it set a little while. Scrub the area with the hard bristle broom or brush. You're going to want to rinse the area with clean water. The roof can be damp, but you don't want it to have excess water, so a sponge, a broom, or leaf blower can be used. Let's apply the coating. Pour it out in a liberal amount and use a 9-inch paint roller with 3/8-inch nap roller cover, making sure you go a couple inches wider than your repair. Lay out your poly mesh into the wet coating, making sure you pay special attention that there are no wrinkles. Cut your poly mesh to fit the repair area. This can be done at the time of coating or prior to this step. Apply your coating over the poly mesh, making sure that the mesh is thoroughly encapsulated and you don't see any pinholes. You're going to want to let this area cure 12 to 24 hours depending on your ambient temperature and apply a final top coat if necessary, making sure that your mesh is encapsulated. You can order our repair kits online or by calling us direct at 877-823-7873.